And lots to do. And as we've been telling you all week, today's not a great day to do it. We've got, these wind gusts we're contending with, the rain, coastline is starting to look really nasty as we're approaching high tide at 7, right?
Yeah, so we're getting the sea coming over the seawall here, water spilling onto roadways along the coastline and into Narragansett Bay as well. Here's a live view from our Narragansett Beach camera. Was looking at some of the offshore buoy data, and those wave heights early this morning are now up to around 19-foot waves offshore. Now that's south and east of Block Island, but those high waves and rough seas going to lead to some beach erosion concerns. Along with that, we have now restrictions on some of our bridges and overpasses to at least high profile vehicles, and you can see why. The Newport Bridge gusting over 60 miles per hour in the center of the span there. We also have the Mount Hope Bridge, which has been gusting to about 56 miles per hour. Fairhaven, Mass with a gust of 60, Conimic at 58, and even North Smithfield, a gust of 53 miles per hour. These are sustained winds between 20 and 30 miles per hour. So we're kind of at the height of when I expect the strongest winds to be now through about 8-9 o'clock this morning. That's our best chance of getting those gusts over 60. But in the afternoon and evening, there'll be a second surge of strong winds. Those will be closer to the range of 40 to 50 miles per hour. It still can do some damage. 3 o'clock beyond, that's when I expect those temperatures to start to tumble. We'll pick up an additional ½ inch to an inch of rain today and then end the day in the evening and night with some scattered light snow showers, especially along the coastline. Here we are 7 o'clock in the morning. These winds still whipping in the 7 o'clock hour, gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour and occasionally some isolated higher amounts. By 9 o'clock, winds are starting to diminish some across Rhode Island. Those strong winds over eastern Massachusetts will subside for a time. So I'd say best travel time or time to run errands between about 9 and noon today. And then in the later afternoon, those winds start to pick up and we have more gusts in the evening to about 40 to 50 miles per hour from the southwest. That's when we're going to start to see those temperatures falling. Currently, though, we're in the 50s, 54 in Providence, 52 in Newport. Rainfall amounts over 2 inches. Some of our communities from Coventry and Cranston, and adding up those totals over an inch now in Glendale and Attleboro. On the live radar, we've even had some thunderstorms rolling through northwest corner of the state right now for those rumbles of thunder and occasional flashes of lightning. And now rude wake-up call in Smithfield and all along 295 with those heavy downpours. It's from this intensifying low pressure center, 2 of them in fact lifting up and going to be merging. Cold front racing across Pennsylvania and New York State this morning, bringing that surge of cold air. We're now down to 18 in Pittsburgh, but at least it's not as cold as Chicago, 8 below there. By the time that air mass reaches us in New England, it's moderating some, so we're not expecting these sort of numbers, but it's going to be a significant change from where we are right now. 8 o'clock this morning, notice those scattered showers continuing into the late afternoon. Then things taper off by about 4 or 5 o'clock, and we'll see just some scattered snow showers possible into the evening. They'll taper mostly to just some ocean effect snow showers along the Cape and Islands and maybe right along the Rhode Island shoreline too, and that could lead to just a small accumulation. Those temperatures, as I mentioned, going to be falling, so still in the 50s at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Watch those numbers drop. 40s and 30s by 5 o'clock in the evening, 20s by 9 o'clock. You can see those scattered snow showers along the coastline for tomorrow morning. Look at those numbers. 15 degrees and wind chills will be around 0. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're still gusting to 30 and 40 miles per hour tomorrow, so kind of a windy, frigid day. That means for Santa's trip across southern New England, a cold one, but skies will be mostly clear and dry, down to 17 at midnight. By tomorrow, by Sunday morning, Christmas morning, we're in the mid-teens. 8 a.m. noontime temperature in the middle 20s with sunshine, and we're looking at some quiet weather after this system moves out early next week, looking just cold and dry Monday, Tuesday, and then looking ahead to more seasonable highs by Wednesday and Thursday. The latest forecast, WPRI.com and on the Pinpoint Weather 12 app. Danielle.